Am I just crazy to say demons don't exist? For all of you that have explained to me that you've experienced demons, I completely understand. It's not my intention to dismiss what you experience because I know what you experience as a demon is very real. It's not my intention at all to dismiss what you experienced because I know what you experienced as a demon is very real. That statement may seem like I'm contradicting myself, but please allow me to explain. Let's consider the idea that you never heard of demons or that you should fear them. How would you name what you experienced? That may seem like a crazy question, but it's asked for a reason. That question causes you to examine why you believe what you believe. Examining my beliefs has become something that's normal for me, but I know for most people that rarely happens. Understand that anyone in society has a frame of reference in which they were taught about the world and acquired their beliefs. Most of us are taught through language. In order for us to understand each other, we agree on the meanings of our words. Those meanings and definitions become our frame in which we view our world and express it. For most of you on my channel, the foundation of your spiritual and metaphysical frame was given through Christianity. You may have never examined why you believe what you believe, but what you're experiencing with demons is the frame in which you were taught through Christianity. Now again, I am not negating or dismissing your experience. I'm talking about how you frame or interpret that experience. You're using your prior knowledge to explain what you experience. You had an experience and need to interpret what happened. If you've been taught Christianity, you've been given a language and frame to express your experience. When I said demons don't exist, it becomes personal because you know what you experienced. I get it. But I say again, it's not my intention to negate or dismiss your very real experience. What I'm doing is challenging you to examine your frame in which you view the world and beyond. I'm asking you to examine your beliefs and how you came to believe what you believe. If you've never examined your beliefs and why you think and believe what you do, then anyone that says something outside your frame of belief and experience is stupid, crazy, or both from your point of view. I get it, but I'm neither. Just understand that I've chosen to operate from a Kemetic spiritual science paradigm. In ancient Kemetic spirituality, they did not have a Christian frame in which they filtered their ideas and beliefs through. They saw the world through their spiritual science, through universal laws. In ancient Kemetic science, there is duality and opposition that we struggle with. The ancients might symbolize these struggles as some type of monster because the experience produced fear. How could you express something words could not? You use symbols, and monsters were those symbols. That doesn't mean that they were saying demons and monsters exist. They were symbolizing and communicating their idea of fear without using words. Don't you fear the demons? You've been given a frame in which to interpret your experience. For example, you've watched television programs that teach you how you should experience vampires and werewolves. They were first cast as scary beings. Then new movies like Twilight came along and cast them as beings that fall in love and protect their loved ones. Movies gave you and us a new frame. When I say demons don't exist, it causes you to feel a certain way because you know what you experienced. Again, I'm not wanting to discount or dismiss what you experienced, but I am challenging you to examine the frame in which we were giving your beliefs about what you experienced. It was through a religious orientation and indoctrination. Your demons today were the ancients' monsters in the past. They are symbols of your fears. They exist because you've been taught to interpret your inner experience with a particular language through a particular belief system. That doesn't mean you didn't experience something. That's not what I'm saying to you. Ask this question to yourself at some point. Why do I believe in demons? I'm not asking you to change your belief, just examine where the belief originated. It will challenge you. It will cause you to examine your frame. What you may find is you are still Christian in your beliefs in many ways. I say your fears are real, and you've chosen demons in which to express those ideas. I also say Christianity simply programmed you with the fear, gave you the language and the frame in which to experience your fears and opposition. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.